Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and hey, we have new numbers for the Windows 10 1803 version 1803 release. So basically how many Windows 10 users out there now are on this new version. So it comes from AdDuplex. AdDuplex measures the numbers by looking at the apps that actually go on or on Windows 10. And it's not necessarily the most accurate way of checking it out, but you know, that's the numbers we have. So Windows 10 version April 2018 update version 1803 is now on 86.7% of Windows 10 PCs. So it's a big chunk. The majority of you are now already there. It has slowed a little bit in the pace of increase, but you know, we're getting close to that saturation point where there's always a certain number of people that will not upgrade to the latest version. One of the things also here is to note that last version, Fall Careers Update, which was 1709, had reached about 92% of Windows 10 pretty much at the moment where the April 2018 update was released. Now we've got about a month and a half before that happens for the next version of Windows, which was the 1809. So I guess we will reach close to that point at that time. Wow, it was just pretty amazing at how fast this April 2018 update rolled out. Looking at the different other versions, so Insiders, RS5 Insiders, were making 0.4% of all the Windows 10 users. That's pretty small. Windows 10, the original version, still 0.4% in that version. I don't know when they're waiting to upgrade. 0.7% on the Windows 10 1511, which was the November update, something like that was called. Then when there's Windows 10 1607, which was the anniversary update at 2.1%. Windows 10 1703 at 1.9%. And finally, Windows 10 Fall Careers Update is, you know, when you remove the 1803 version right now, you get to 7.8%, which is Fall Careers Update still the highest version number of all Windows 10 versions, which is, of course, to expect because it's the last one before this 1803. And of course, we're getting really close to the release of Redstone 5. So as we're getting towards that new version, it's nice to point out that, you know, there are a lot of things that are going to happen in the next couple of months. We're again on a high gear on the Windows 10 side with the release of a new version of Windows 10. Incredible how time flies. We're already getting close to that. And of course, we'll continue talking about everything Windows 10 and continue on with, of course, Redstone 5, or what we are pretty sure is going to be called October 2018 update. So that's coming up month and a half, something like that. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.